Hi guys. Well, we have another project to do. So this morning we got up early, we went to the feed store, grabbed some pig feed, and I grabbed some seed potatoes. And then I also went to Tractor Supply, and we had to give the pigs some shots, vaccine shots, because we're within 3 to 4 weeks before farrowing. Ellie Mae is pregnant, if you didn't already know that. Anyways, so we had to give them some vaccines, and I wasn't sure how to do that. I was like, how do you give, a 350 to 450 pound pig a vaccine without them getting mad at you? So we went to Tractor Supply and we actually got a pistol grip syringe, which I gotta admit was awesome. I was able to give him a vaccine, and no, I could not film that because I was there to give the vaccine. Darren was there to kind of like distract them a little bit. So anyways, they got their vaccine today. So thank goodness, all was good. But we are doing a little project. I had to go over to my dad's. He called a little bit earlier and told me that his sewer is backed up. So we had to go over and snake that for him. And now we're back home and we want to get things started to clean up. So let's take a look. So this is underneath our back porch. It is a ton of scrap metal and stuff, and just stuff. So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to get this all cleaned up and see if we can send this all to the scrap yard, keep what we need to keep, but get rid of everything else. So that's the goal today. So we've already cleaned up on this side. We kind of just stacked stuff right there, but we kind of cleaned all this up so there's not garbage everywhere. I'm sure my neighbors are enjoying it now. This is some of the things that we're going to be keeping or making use of. This is a whole bunch of scrap metal. So this is where we were burning our sap. We're not burning today. In fact, it's supposed to get cold again. This weekend it's going to go, last night it was down to 29. And it's supposed to go into the 20s a few more times. I need it down below 32. And then in the daytime go up above 40. So our sap that we're tapping right there, you can see the buckets, is running. I think we might only have another week or two left, and that's it. Hi girls. Hi Lily. So one of the things we did is the electric company came down the road, was cleaning out and cutting a whole bunch of branches that were overcovering the wires, and we asked if we could get some, and they gave us a whole load. So this was so muddy before, so we went ahead and put that down, and you can see the pigs over there. They're actually enjoying themselves. I don't want to bother them because I don't want to stress them out. I came over this morning, gave them a vaccine, so we're just going to leave them alone. But hi Sophie, how are you? You gotta come out and see everybody? She's getting so big. Very big. We have Lily here. I'm not sure if she's pregnant. I don't think she is. I think she was too young. You enjoying that? Hi Sophie. Hi Sophie. She has the cutest little udder. We're about 2 weeks out right now from her kidding. We're about a month out for Spice. Spice isn't very big, so I'm not sure how much. She's probably only going to have one because she is so small. But Sophie is so large. You're a big girl. You're going to be a big mama. I'm going to take a guess she has at least 2, maybe more. But you could just barely see, but her teats are all the way down here. Her udder has gotten a lot larger. She's starting to bag up. Huh. honey. And we have Lily here, who is definitely not camera shy. So, yeah. She loves getting her neck and head scratched. I don't have to worry about horns with Sophie or Spice because they are what you call polled. Polled means that they naturally do not have horns. And that's definitely what we were looking for. So when they have babies, the only thing is if a goat is polled, you have to breed them with a buck that has horns, not polled. If you breed them with another polled buck, then chances are 50-50 that the babies will come out sterile. Well, at least that's what they say. Hi, Sophie. Sophie, you gonna turn around? Oh, maybe she's gonna turn. Oh, I don't know if you got to see that, but she has a bag. She's bagging up. We're getting close. I just hope I got the date right, but I'm pretty sure I do. But of course, it could be give or take a few days. So she's due in 2 weeks. We will start doing a watch on her in a week and just keeping an eye out for if we see any signs of her going into labor. But everything is good. You'll see that the pigs, they are not rooting anymore. They sit there and they go around and hunt, but they are not rooting the ground anymore, which is really nice. We are getting ready to move them to their permanent home. We just got to wait for everything to come together with the weather and stuff. So, and for right now, we're going to try and get that all cleaned up.
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. We dip our feet at the water's edge, and everyone would come along to meet us there. Have a competition to see who can trap for longer, 'cause every year my body's getting stronger. We can swim all day and dance until the night, but we're not coming home till the moonlight shines, till the moonlight shines. Do 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 do. Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. The lodge by the water's still my favorite place, and I could come every year and it wouldn't change. Do
The sun is starting to go down. You can see it's close to going down. We have about another half hour. We're gonna put the pigs and everybody, give them all fed for the night and put them away. So we have a muffler and a catalytic converter. This is all copper back in there. This is all aluminum. This is all of our steel and whatnot. So, and although we're not completely done, it's a big off. Found all of our pots, our flower pots, but you can see the ground. We got all the garbage up. Found a bunch of flower pots, so we'll be planting those this year. Now we're just going to have to take a rake and just kind of rake it all up and level it out and make it look nice, because when you go in there's a lot of rock and everything, and it's kind of hard to walk in there without tripping and falling. So, but it's going to end our video for the day. Hey, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please go hit the subscribe button. And as always, we will see you on the next video. God bless.